Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? I hope you are all well. Today we will continue our lesson. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, loves his neighbors. Let's start our lesson. Our lesson steps. As usual, we revise some previous surahs and learn a dua, linking the Prophet's biography. Look at the pictures, and from these pictures you conclude the rights of the neighbor in Islam. Finally, at the end of the lesson, our activities time. The time of dua. Our dua today in Arabic. اللهم ارزقنا الصدق في القول وفي العمل. Oh Allah, grant us honesty in word and deed. Let's read this information. The neighbor is the person next to your home. What does the word neighbor mean? Word neighbor means the one who's next to your home. Your target today to define the rights of the neighbor in Islam. With Holy Quran, قال تعالى: واعبدوا الله ولا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين إحسانا وبذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين والجار ذي القربى والجار الجنوب. Worship Allah and associate nothing with Him, and to parents do good, and to relatives, orphans, the needy, the near neighbor, the neighbor further away. What are the orders contained in the verses? What is the last command in the verse? How do you see it? What's your opinion about these behaviors? First one is looking and checking his neighbor about what he's doing. Second one is throwing garbage in front of his neighbor. Last one is making noisy to his neighbor and disturb it. What's your opinion about these behaviors? Rights of neighbor. What should you do to your neighbors? First, you need to respect them, greet them, visit him when he's sick, visit it on occasions, and ask about them. Linking the Prophet's biography. How did the messenger, peace be upon him, deal with his Muslim and non-Muslim neighbors? Who's excellent will tell me. How did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, deal with his Muslim and non-Muslim neighbors? Problem solving. If your neighbor has a party and they make loud noises, you want to make some repairs in your apartment that will cause noisy to your neighbors. Third one, your neighbor's son knocks on the door and runs away. What should you do in these situations? Let's read here. How do you behave if your neighbor doesn't greet you and doesn't want to deal with you? Second, how to deal with your neighbor who left the water to drown your garden. At the end of the lesson, our activities time. Thank you, my students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.